This is the Department of Environmental Quality's lead testing in school and child care drinking water programs tutorial video for completing the lead testing in schools application form. Any schools or daycares interested in participating in our volunteer sampling program, please begin by visiting DEQ's website, www.deq.ok.gov, to apply directly online or download our forms. If you choose to download the forms, mail them to Department of Environmental Quality at P.O. Box 1677, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma 73101, with attention addressed to LWSC. The first section of the form is about your school or facility information. This information will let us know where your school or facility is located and who your contact is. You will need to include the facility's names and address. Next, designate a facility administrator that will be a point of contact for this program. Provide a telephone number, cell phone number, and an email address for that person so the DEQ can contact you about the program. The second section is background information. This information will provide important information with the qualification process. All qualifying facilities will be accepted for the program. However, priority will be based on the details provided in this section. The third section is lead sampling coordinator information. This information will let us know who will receive the sampling kit and conduct sampling for the facility. You will need to include the sampler's name and job title. Next, provide an address for where the sampling kit will be shipped to. Also, include a telephone number, cell phone number, and an email address for the communication sources. Anyone familiar with the school or facility may be designated as the lead sampling coordinator. For sampling instructions and training, anyone collecting samples must watch the video on how to collect samples for this program on our website. The fourth section offers participation in our awards program. This program will recognize the school or facility's success for completing EPA's The 3 T's guidance plan for reducing lead in drinking water through this program. The awards program is voluntary and is not a requirement for the acceptance process. The last section is an acknowledgement statement. Facilities must consent to implementing the EPA's 3 T's to be eligible for the program. To become familiar with the 3 T's and its requirements, you must visit our website. For any questions or assistance, please email us at lwsc@deq.ok.gov or call 1-800-522-0206.